So every time you do oil change, some vehicles it shows here in the dash a light, and to reset it, you can reset it manually through the car. You just need to follow the instruction. Each car has different way to set it, but this tool with Blue Driver, you can reset it right from the OBD scan with Blue Driver. The TPMS, which is tire pressure monitor system. Now I don't have like this vehicle does not show me the tire, but first let's check reset the oil. So press here, and then you see now it tells you most modern vehicles are equipped with surface, and to let you know when you need to change your oil. So yeah, this one driving time since your last oil change, and so here it says standard procedure. Okay, with ignition off, press and hold the trip reset bottom. So basically what you need to do is first ignition when the ignition off, press and hold this one here. You can see it. Ignition is off, press and hold. Continue to hold the bottom. Turn the ignition. Now turn this to the accessories. Like that. Now keep press. Now what you need to do is says here press the bottom once, and that's it. Turn the ignition off. Now that's supposed to reset the oil change every time you do an oil change. So that's how it shows you here. This one also tells you the information standard procedure. Turn the ignition off, and same thing. Press and hold the bottom, wheel instruction and so on. The highlight 3 times a second. Start the vehicle for about 20 minutes, and so yeah, so that's all the instruction. Tells you how to reset the TPMS reset. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is helpful. Please support our channel, like, share, subscribe. All the best, and hope to see you next video.